Today we will be discussing operation simulation using work in process for both SOLIDWORKS CAM and CAMWorks. So let's get started. In this example, we will be discussing how to use work in process to simulate and verify the toolpath for a specific operation. What is work in process? Work in process lets you view completed operations instantly. No need to wait for the full process to run. In this model, feature recognition was initiated, operation plans and toolpaths generated. I've added an interactive feature, a contour mill, and renamed it Edge Break. I then added multiple features to this operation to create an edge break on the entire part. If I were to simulate just the edge break, it would look something like this, which really doesn't help the process unless the prior operations were run. Now, we can simulate the whole part, but that'll take some time before it gets through everything. So here's a little trick. Highlight your operation, Shift key, simulate. You'll see this little window, operations for work in process. These are all the processes that can be run. You can pick and choose which ones you'd like to see prior to the one you want to see. For this example, I'm going to leave them all, and I'll hit OK. As you can see, all the prior operations are done, and now we can run our specific operation, which is just the edge break on the entire part. And yes, it's that easy.